Let me walk you through how to pull structured data from any website, from first click to exported dataset, focusing on scraping tabular statistics with Minexa.ai. Navigate to the domcop.com page where the data is already listed and visible. Now click the Minexa icon in the browser toolbar to get started. With Minexa open, press I'm on the right page, and the page scan begins to analyze the tabular statistics list. Automatically detected, main content area and navigation both confirmed by Minexa. Now choose whether to scrape just the list, or also each results detail page. Default is Continue, Advanced if a form needs submitting, or a filter clicking before results appear. The highlighted area contains your data. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa finds every field and remembers it. Every piece of data is ready. Just pick the fields you want to include, like domain names, expiry dates, and numeric stats from the table. Developers, click API Request to get ready to run code with JS rendering and proxy settings already in place. Click Complete Configuration to confirm the setup and finish. Minexa spotted the navigation button. Every run collects the complete result set. One click, and the job is saved. Optionally set a schedule or Google Sheets connection first. Click Run, and the job starts collecting across all pages. Prices, dates, and locations each came from their own fixed position on the page, so they are never mixed up, even on pages that contain multiple similar-looking numerical or text values. For example, domain expiry dates, auction prices, and daily numeric records are all captured distinctly. Download your results. The file is ready to open in any spreadsheet tool straight away. Getting data from any website used to be hard. Minexa makes it simple for anyone, and for developers, replaces fragile scripts and LLM processing with one reusable scraper.